Hello, and welcome back to Moment of Growth and Transformation with Tosin Opeoluwa. This will be the last episode in the meaning series on minutes to understanding your purpose. That means you need to spend a few minutes to understand your purpose. And in this minutes to purpose discovery, I basically talk to women who wants to understand their purpose, clarify it, and know how to actually profit with it. To recap, in the past 4 episodes, I've talked about what exactly is purpose. Number 2, I talked about 10 ways by which you can actually know your purpose. I talk about why is purpose actually important. And I also talk about how you can clarify your purpose and also profit with it. So if you go back to check the last 5 episodes, I have been able to establish that. And in this final episode, in this mini series, I'm going to be talking about why transformation and why is transformation important to your fulfillment of purpose. So permit me to say this: God is your purpose. Remember, it's in Him we live and move and have our being. All things are made for Him and by Him. We are actually made for His pleasure, meaning that if you're not doing anything that will bring pleasure to Him, you're simply not doing anything. Actually, you're simply not living a life of purpose. So whatever you will do has to be in line with His mind for you. And that is why you need renewing of mind, which means transformation. So what is transformation? Romans chapter 8 verse 2. And be not conformed to this world, but be ye transformed by the renewing of your mind, that ye may prove what is that good and acceptable and perfect will of God. So where does conformity comes from? Our background, which creates our experiences. And our experiences, they create our attitude, because our attitude is actually the outcome of our response or reaction to situations by the virtue of positive or negative issues of life we carry in our subconscious mind as a result of the life experiences that we have. So therefore, I will say that transformation for those who want to serve their generation with their God-given talents is a must to focus on character formation, which I usually call correctitude. So for those who want to live a life of purpose and who wants to profit with their purpose, there are 5 major areas they need to watch out for, which they need transformation for, actually. But there's just one that you need to pay more attention on. Number 1, watch out for transformation in your mental space and your mind, or your mindset health, your financial health, your spiritual health, your nutrition, and lastly, your relationship. In those 5, you need to put yourself on a scale of 1 to 10 and rate yourself. If you have less than 9 in all of them, which is actually impossible if you want to be sincere with yourself, there's a need for improvement. And the truth is, there must be an improvement in your life and in my life as long as we are growing, because growth and transformation is a journey, is a daily task. Now, let me say it this way. Growth and transformation is different for everyone. So some people is deciding to make a significant lifestyle changes in their health. For example, a person who has been leading a sedentary lifestyle and just decide to start exercising regularly and eating healthier. Over time, they might lose weight, gain muscle, and feel more energetic and confident. This transformation not only changes their physical appearance, but it also improves their mental well-being and overall quality of life. Another example is someone who has been working in a job they really don't find fulfillment in, and so they decide to pursue further education or training in a field they are passionate about. Maybe graphic design, maybe coding, maybe social work. And maybe after completing their studies, they landed a job in their new field and find greater satisfaction and purpose in their work life. So for them, life transformation will refer to a profound and significant change in their life. And often your transformation will involve a shift in your thoughts, a shift in your behavior, your belief, and it will help you to achieve more as you begin to make those shifts in all areas of your life. So let's look at some key aspects of transformation. 1 is personal growth. One of the things you need to look at when you're trying to transform your life is the need to be intentional about your personal growth. And it involves self-improvement and development, such as adopting a healthier habit, learning new skills, or overcoming some personal challenges in your past. Like I tell you, this is where I help women when it's difficult for them to move past the past and move forward. Next one is internal shift. And that's a deep internal change that aligns with your highest potentials, affecting how you see and relate to the world. The next one is spiritual awakening. For some, life transformation might include a kind of spiritual component, such as finding a deeper sense of connection to God. When you do this, when you move close to God, remember it's your purpose. So you can't do anything for Him without knowing Him. The next one is behavioral changes, and this will be quitting some harmful habits, the way you relate to people. It might also mean changing career, changing lifestyle, changing friend, traveling, moving to a new place, leaving negative friends that are influencing you, forgiving people, going to therapy, read more books, work with wonderful people. So in summary, you need primarily God in fulfilling your purpose, and you need people to live a life of purpose that will bring fulfillment. You see, if you refuse to grow, your negative mindset and lack of spirituality are committed to God, and your behavior will be a big hindrance to reach the people that God wants you to serve and sustain the people you're serving. Life transformation is a unique journey for each person. Often, it involves both internal and external changes. It could be a gradual process, or it can happen suddenly through some significant life events. Overall, give yourself the permission to grow at your pace. Engage an accountability partner, and this will really help you to experience your transformation. So now we have come to the end of this mini series. I encourage you to go back and watch from what is purpose and how do I know my purpose, and where I highlighted the 10 ways to discover your purpose. And don't forget to leave your comments, your questions, like, share, and I'll be happy to respond to you. And sisters, keep becoming a better you, because things work when we work it. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.